was recording this video with the dog's ear, I had to make a correction and also to add some highlights. So I thought this would be a really good video to share with you on how to create highlights using Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Stay tuned. If you've heard of being able to use it, but it's called Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You use the original. Don't use any of the other ones, just use the original. And you take a little tiny piece of it, like this. You dunk it in the water. Squeeze out the water. And then you can take this, and it will take off pretty much any paint you have put down. So it's used for correcting errors. It can bring it right back to the white of the paper if you so choose. So see, just like that, I added a really big white highlight right there. Now, did I want to do that? Yeah, I did. And then I want another one right here. And you just do this really gentle. And I'm not taking it all the way to the white of the paper. That's my choice. But here, you take a piece of paper here. See this pink here? And see, it's that. You rinse it off. Go to another clean area. And see, it's still coming off. And you're all the way back to the white of the paper. Now, that's been on here for a long time. That is the magic. Literally the magic of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. But you only use it as kind of a last resort because it does damage your paper just a little bit. And again, if you're not using arches, I would suggest that you check on your paper before you use